Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever struggled with loose joints, misaligned holes, or the frustration of DIY repairs that just don't hold up, then you know how critical precision is when it comes to woodworking. Today, we're looking at a tool that promises to simplify one of the most finicky parts of the craft, dowel joinery. Meet the Milescraft Joint Master, a compact, self-contained jig designed to take the guesswork out of creating strong, accurate dowel connections. Priced at just $38, it's not trying to replace your domino or biscuit joiner, but it does aim to deliver professional-level results without the professional-level price tag. Whether you're repairing furniture, building simple cabinets, or assembling small frames, clean and durable joints are non-negotiable. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how the Joint Master handles real-world use, where it excels, and where it has its limits, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your shop. Let me tell you, the Milescraft Joint Master is one of those tools that just feels right from the moment you pick it up. It's got serious heft to it, about 2 pounds of solid aluminum construction, which immediately gives you confidence in its durability. This isn't some flimsy plastic jig that's going to flex or crack under pressure. The self-clamping design is where it really starts to shine. I didn't need a single extra clamp when testing it out on some scrap pine, and that's a big win in my book. It holds your workpiece firmly in place, which not only speeds things up, but also improves accuracy. Whether you're joining boards edge to edge or putting together corner joints for a cabinet, the clamping action keeps everything tight and aligned. And with clearly marked guides for a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels, switching between sizes is straightforward. You can tell this was designed by people who actually use these tools in real projects. One of the first things I appreciated during use was how intuitive the alignment system is. The built-in centering spacers take a lot of the guesswork out of positioning, especially if you're working alone and don't have a second set of hands to hold things steady. I used it recently to repair a wobbly drawer frame, and within minutes I had perfectly aligned dowel holes drilled without any trial and error. I'll admit, I'm not someone who's constantly doing dowel work. My go-to usually leans toward biscuits or pocket screws, but when I do need strong, invisible joints, this tool makes the job fast. I even used it on a small serving tray frame, and the result was way stronger than the original nail construction. For weekend warriors or hobbyists who don't justify investing in a domino-type joiner, this is a seriously capable alternative that gets you surprisingly professional results. That said, it's not without its quirks. The biggest one? It's bulky, no way around it. At 10 inches long and nearly 2 pounds, it can be awkward to maneuver on smaller workpieces or in tight spaces. I found myself wishing for a more compact version when trying to work on a narrow shelf end. It also doesn't offer the same level of fine adjustability as some other jigs on the market. So, if you're doing highly custom or complex joinery, you might hit its limits. That's not a deal breaker for me, but it's worth noting. Also, while the self-clamping feature works well, I did notice on harder woods like oak, you've really got to crank it down tight to avoid any slippage during drilling. A little extra caution in clamping pays off big time in accuracy. Where this jig truly wins is in its simplicity and reliability. I've owned cheaper dowel jigs before, some even from the same brand, that just couldn't hold up. One literally broke after a minor drop. Not this one. It's built like a tank, and it inspires confidence every time you use it. The manual, by the way, is actually readable, which might sound trivial, but trust me, it's rare. No garbled translations here. It's clear, detailed, and actually helps you get the most out of the tool. I also love that everything, including the bits, centering spacers, and instruction manual, fits neatly back into the original cardboard box. It's not fancy, but it's practical and makes storage a breeze. That kind of thoughtful packaging tells you the company cares about user experience. At $38, I'd confidently call this a great value. You're not getting the full flexibility of a high-end joiner, but you're getting 80 to 90% of the functionality at a fraction of the price. If your projects involve basic edge joints, face frames, or simple cabinet repairs, this tool delivers consistent, accurate results with minimal fuss. I used it for a lazy Susan repair recently. Those always seem to break, and had it back together in under an hour. No headaches, no misaligned holes, no frustration. Just clean, strong joints. Yeah, it's got a learning curve if you've never used a doweling jig before, but 10 minutes with a YouTube tutorial and you're good to go. Bottom line, if you're serious about building rock-solid wood joints without breaking the bank, the Milescraft Joint Master deserves a spot in your toolkit. If you're looking to build stronger connections in your woodworking and your YouTube feed, make sure to like and subscribe. Every click helps me keep making precise, honest reviews just like this one. Let's get your toolkit and your subscription list locked in tight, no loose joints here.